We've all been there. You take a photo and you see the subjects in focus, but the background. The whites are washed out and the darker areas are just one huge blob of darkness. This is where HDR mode comes in handy. But what exactly is HDR? Let's find out, shall we? HDR, or high dynamic range, makes your lights lighter and the darks darker, in a good way. Usually how that happens is photos are taken at different exposures from the very dark to very light, and then they're merged into one beautiful HDR image. HDR technology is also used in video. In fact, Hollywood studios use HDR when shooting and mastering the footage. And to view the contents as intended by the creators, HDR-compatible TVs became somewhat of a necessity. Thing is, not all HDR TVs are created equal, so you need one that can be viewed perfectly, whether it's in a bright living room or a dark bedroom. A higher number of HDR will be an indication of the TV's ability to deliver more natural and realistic images. For example, conventional TVs have brightness levels in the range of 0.01 to 100 nits, but Samsung SUHD TVs with HDR 1000 have a peak brightness of 1000 nits, meaning the bright parts of an image would actually be much brighter, while the dark parts would be much darker, which make for incredibly realistic videos. SUHD TVs also employ a technology called ultra black that absorbs light. So even in a bright living room, you'll no longer see a reflection of your surroundings on the screen. From the birds in the clouds on a sunny day to little creatures hidden in the darkness, that's what HDR 1000 is all about. See the world as it should be seen. This is TV. Samsung SUHD TV.